Alright guys, it's that VAT team here back again. We are back at it again with another analysis on the V75 market, and today I explain more on how the market is going and why our former analysis, like yesterday analysis, didn't quite go well. The market didn't move a lot. There was no volatility in the market, so let's get back to it. Wanna go and rotate the screen. So what I say here is the uptrend. It's an uptrend, guys. It's an uptrend. It's an obvious uptrend. I wanna go and place the trend line here. Still the same as yesterday trend line. So we're in an uptrend, guys, and I wanna include it for a little bit. As you can see here, the market retested this trend line for a bit more than once. The first time, the second time, the third time, the fourth time, and probably there's gonna be the fifth time, the sixth time. It's gonna be a retest now. That's what we are looking. Though in yesterday analysis we predicted that there will be a break of the support. A break of the support. We are the level here. We are the level of support and resistance here. We're at this level here. Let's just press all the support and resistance level so that we will know where and how the market is going. Guys, make sure we place your support and resistance, guys. This is the support and resistance, and if you don't know how to place support and resistance, just use the BCW principle, that if a trend or if a support and resistance line is tested by a body, we have a body here, two body actually, and also a wick. The B is for the body. We have a wick here is for the W, and also for the C is the conjunction. Conjunction means a collection of too many candles bouncing back and forth on the trend line. So guys, here we have a conjunction here on that trend line, and also we had a body bounce on this support. Sorry guys, it's the support and resistance level. I mix this a lot now. So here we had a body bounce here, actually a body bounce, and this is actually a candlestick pattern. It's a bearish engulfing pattern, and also we had a weak test here. Remember always, the support and resistance is not a line, it's an area around few pips above or few pips below. So here is still a bounce back on the resistance. So say this is not a resistance level, it did not bounce because it didn't touch the line. No, when the price gets nearer to the support and resistance line, there's usually a bounce back. So when it's nearer, like few pips before, after, above, below or above the support and resistance level, there's usually an area of support and resistance. It's not the line. So guys, as you see, the support and resistance level here, we had a conjunction, we had a body, and we had a wick to test the line. So the BCW is confirmed, and we know it's a support and resistance level. The same applies to this. We had a body here, we had a wick bounce, and also we had a conjunction bounce. So if you have more than two of these confirmation, is the BCW, the body bounce, the wick bounce, and the conjunction bounce on the support and resistance level. When you have more than two of these, then know that there was a support and resistance level. And when you have more than three, both of them, is way better. Like here we had body bounce, we had like 3 wick bounce, and also we had a conjunction here and a wick bounce. So it's more than 5 confirmation that this is the support and resistance level. So what are we looking, guys, here? What are we looking? What are we looking here? So what are we looking here is the market. Yesterday we predicted that. Okay, let me just clear yesterday's analysis first. Let's place we placed the support and resistance level on the 4-hour time frame. So I see here like the internet is kind of no, we're a perfect light connection. So okay, we're still good. We're still good, though. We also had oops, this is not supposed to be here. We also had a channel line to complete a channel line here above. So we had this one here, and the price was quite here. So we say that we had an ascending triangle, and also any break below the trend line, we're gonna wait for it to break the support and resistance level, to break the support and resistance level here, but it didn't break. There was a bounce back, so we went into something new, a new pattern. So here we have a ranging market, guys. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see it, guys. I can see it. Let me just okay, I don't know if you can see it, but it's clearly a ranging market here. So we had the price went and it bounced back from the resistance level, and it went down and it bounced back from the support level, and it went to the resistance level and it bounced back, and also it's going down. I believe it's gonna get here. Now what we wanna look here, we had a double top, guys. We had a double top here, like this is a double top also. So we could have predicted, if you wanted to scalp the price, like the V75, if you wanted to scalp this, you could have look for a confirmation here. But usually I don't look for a down for a down for a sell when we're in an uptrend with the V75. So I usually look for the bullish move, for the buy. So look for the buy here. So we had a double top, and I believe we are gonna have a double bottom at the support line, guys, at the support line. If there are two things here which is gonna happen, the price is gonna get at this point, this level here. I call this usually the neckline. So this can act also as a neckline. The price will get to this level, and remember, I said the support and resistance level is not only on this line. It's an area. It's an area, guys. It's an area. You have to know that it's an area. This area above or below the line is the support and resistance level area. So you have to know that. So for many people might say there was no bounce back here, so we have a new line here because maybe the price didn't bounce on the line. The price doesn't have to bounce on the line, exactly on the line. No, it doesn't have. Only few pips above or few pips below, we still say that is the support and resistance area. You have to know and insist on this, because many traders make mistake. Because okay, I don't see a bounce back, like we have a new support and resistance level here. No, we don't, guys. You have only this because we had a bounce back here. So below is, when the price is below, is resistance level, and when the price is above, with the support level. So we're gonna have a bounce back, I believe, in some place here, because we're in a ranging market. Let me just remove this for you will see it clearly now. Like you see it clearly now, you see it clearly. We're in uptrend, so we are looking for a bullish move for a buy, guys. Don't look for a sell in a downtrend. Though you can say the market is still in consolidation, so we are looking for a breakout in consolidation, like for bonds. Though it can continue consolidating, and so we want to utilize the time being. So let me put back the okay. Here is our trend line. So a trend line here. So what the price is gonna do, the V75 is gonna try to come to this area here. Let me mark it with a rectangle. Now in this line we're gonna have a major pullback, I think, because it's a trend line. Also we have a trend line and we have a support and resistance level. So in case the price turns here and goes above, we're gonna look for a breakout above. Let me go to a smaller time frame, because yeah, okay, doesn't help. I wanted to okay. I will use when the price, let's say for instance, the price decided to doesn't agree with our analysis, doesn't come to this point here, so it's gonna maybe break. As usual, when there's a breakout above this consolidation area, so there will be a retest. There will be a retest. So we have to wait for the retest and all the pullback, and then you can find your confirmation. And when you need to find a confirmation, look for candlestick patterns. Now you look for candlestick patterns, like here we have a candlestick. Maybe here we had a candlestick pattern which marked the reversal. This is a kind of a reversal candlestick pattern. It's a bearish engulfing pattern, and also the same for this is a bearish engulfing pattern. So we had a candlestick patterns here too, twice. So somebody could have scalped this and also could have take profits somewhere here, because that's was the lowest higher low. So we had a bounce back here. Also, this was a bullish engulfing pattern. Somebody could have looked for this. So we're gonna look for a candlestick pattern here, and I will let you know when the price gets here. But in case the price doesn't get to this to inside our area here, we will have to look for a breakout above, or for continue for a range. But I hope the price is gonna be in a reversal soon. A candlestick reversal pattern is gonna form here, I believe. If it breaks below, then we'll look also for a latest. Like we're looking for three things: either a reversal candlestick pattern inside this area here, near the line, near the support and resistance level, and near the trend line. So we'll be looking for a candlestick reversal pattern here, or we'll be looking for a breakout below, and also for the latest here, we're looking for the latest or a pullback. Then we go down with. I will let you know. I will be always updating on the market status every time in the channel, so stay tuned to it. And also, if it breaks above, if there's a break above, maybe the price goes above, there also be a retest, so the price will come to the support, and if you try to retest it, there will be a pullback here, and wait for that pullback, and then we can enter. So anyway, don't enter trade now, just wait for the perfect opportunity. So as you can see, this is a 15-minute chart. It's way better to see the candlestick pattern, or to enter the volatility 75 in a 15-minute or 30 minutes or even 1 hour. I usually just enter anytime between 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame, or the 1 hour time frame, but I do only analysis on the 1 hour. So as you can see here, so we wait for the reversal pattern here. this place. So guys, stay tuned. This I will maybe let me screenshot this. Okay, so I will post this on the channel, and we let you, everyone can see it and everything. So I think we are done here with the V75 analysis. I didn't do a bomb and crash analysis, but because we are past our golden hours, and usually every student who uses my BRT strategy to trade the boom and crash usually knows, and they trade well perfect. I've never had, like, guys, honestly, I've never had anyone complain maybe the VAT strategy doesn't work for crash and boom. Like, everyone is making money as long as you have the right amount of capital. Everyone is making money as long as you have the right amount of capital. You stick to the strategy, and also to the golden hours. You have to stick to that also. So the golden hour is past. As you can see, we are way past the golden hours now. So it was in the morning. So from tomorrow I'll be posting my analysis early. I believe at the 5 GMT I'll be posting analysis on the in the channel, so that everyone can see the analysis for boom and crash for V75 index. And if you want me to add another index, I will post today which indices do you want me to do analysis on. Maybe the V75 only, or the V100, the V25. I will post each index, and you have to vote, guys. Just vote. Most people just see the post. You have to vote. Doesn't hurt or doesn't cost you anything. Just please, the analysis helps if you follow it. I assure you it helps. This is like giving you a free signal for those people who have the low accounts. And I usually say I don't support trading on a low account unless you can afford to get a $500 account. So you can trade the V75 with a $300 capital. That's what I advise. Or $200 capital. A $100 capital, not much. I don't advise that, but you can trade. It's according to your risk management and everything. Because let's say if there was an entry here and you took a buy at this place, do you know where your stop loss is supposed to be? Your stop loss is supposed to be somewhere. Okay, you took a buy here, right? You took a buy here. Your stop loss is supposed to be to the last, like below the last high low. Then this was the last high low. We had a bounce back here. So your stop loss is supposed to be somewhere here, not here. No, because we are still in the resistance area. No, here. So your stop loss here, and your take profit is supposed to be here. So for anyone using a 0.005 load, this will be like something like, even because we're saving like $10 or something. So I'm not sure, but I believe it's $10 or $15. I think so. Yeah. So anyway, stick to the strategy. And also, if you enter here, your stop loss is supposed to be here. I will post everything, and I will let you know. If you want me to do the entries and exits on the video, let me know also. But I'll be posting, if we had an entry, I'll be posting our stop loss and our take profit, so that you guys can have that goal risk management. Because if I put a stop loss here, our take profit is here. So we have like 1-to-3 ratio here, risk reward ratio, guys. 1-to-1 ratio, 3 risk reward ratio. So guys, I believe that our analysis is done here. So I will keep you posted.